ChatGPT ads are going to change the way that homeowners are finding plumber, HVAC contractors, or electrical contractors online. According to Search Engine Land, they found that Android leaked code showing test ads already. See, the report also said that the ads didn't really match the topic, which is a sign that it's still early and they're testing and it's being developed. But if you're a plumber, here's why you should care. Because people are changing the way that they find contractors like you. See, chat's becoming like a friend where they ask for a referral. They'll say things like, hey, who's the best plumber near me? What does a replacement HVAC unit cost? Or who can fix a slab leak that I can trust here in my area? Those are the kind of conversational questions that they're having. And once these ads enter into chat, it's going to be like the whole new page one of Google that we used to see, but it's going to be in conversation mode. So in chat, you're not competing for rankings. You're now competing for being the authority, that you're the answer man that chat can recommend. And so here's how you prepare your business for doing that. There's 3 ways that you do it, and it's becoming by being authoritative. Number 1 is get your service pages crystal clear. AI is scanning them. It wants to see what is it that you do, where do you do it, what's it cost, who are you serving. If your site is vague and it's not indexed correctly, it's not going to recommend you. Number 2, build trust, reviews, guarantees, before and after shots. All the credibility signals that AI systems lean on to decide who it's going to surface. And then number 3, make your differentiation obvious. If you like same-day service, financing, strong warranty, say it clearly and say it repeatedly. And I can't recommend that enough. And so bottom line, the ads are coming to chat. And if you want to stay ahead, of that shift, I'm going to be breaking down exactly how to make your business the top recommendation in AI search. Just follow along, click the link for more information.